What are the 3 steps of a consular processing case? Well, today's video will share with you those 3 steps and explain how this type of immigrant visa case works. Now, immigration can happen inside the United States where we're dealing with the USCIS, or it can also happen outside of the United States. Your case can be located in 2 different places. Outside of the United States, the Department of State is the organization that is handling your case. So, for example, if you have a relative that is living in Nepal and you are inside of the U.S., you're going to have to take your relative through immigrant visa processing, and that is consular processing at the consulate in Kathmandu. So, step 1, the relative here in the U.S., the U.S. citizen, the permanent resident, they need to file an I-130 petition for your relative. That happens first. Step 2, after the I-130 is approved, the case will then be moved over to the Department of State. It was Department of Homeland Security in the U.S. dealing with the I-130. Now we're dealing with Department of State. And the case is going to go to a place called the National Visa Center. On step number 2, we have to upload a very big form called the DS-260 for each family member that will need a visa. We also have to upload financial documents and civil documents, such as copies of birth certificates, marriage certificates, police certificates, court records, etc. Once the National Visa Center is happy and satisfied that you have submitted all of the proper forms, the last step of the case is that your relative is going to go for their immigrant visa interview at the U.S. Embassy abroad. So step 1, we file the I-130 petition here in the U.S. Step 2, the case is moved over to the Department of State National Visa Center. Step number 3, the case is then sent to the embassy abroad where your relative lives. And those are the 3 steps of consular processing. I hope this information has been helpful to you. And as always, if you need assistance with your case or have questions, please let us know.